In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your WordPress website. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your site by showcasing customer feedback, which can be invaluable for building trust with your visitors. Whether you're running a business, a blog, or any other type of website, having reviews readily available can make a significant difference. Let's dive in. To get started, navigate to wordpress.com. This is the platform where you'll manage and edit your website content. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do so by clicking on Login. From there, you'll see various login options, and one of the most convenient is to click on Continue with Google. Using this method allows you to log in quickly without needing to remember yet another password. Once you click on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account that's associated with your WordPress site, and just like that, you'll be ushered into the WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, look to the right panel. Under quick links, you'll find a handy option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on this, it's that simple. This option will lead you directly to the editing interface where all the magic happens. Upon entering the editing section, you'll want to add a new block. Blocks are the building elements of your WordPress pages, and for our purpose today, we need to use one specifically for reviews. Look for the familiar plus icon, usually located in the toolbar or at the bottom of a block, and click on it to add a new block. In the search bar that appears, simply type in the word review. This search will narrow down the available block options to exactly what you need. It's a straightforward process, but typing correctly is key, so ensure everything is spelled correctly. As soon as you type review, you'll see the corresponding review block appear in the options. Click on review. This action will add a new review block to your site where you can start customizing the content to your needs and specifications. This step sets the stage for you to integrate authentic feedback from your audience, helping to create a more engaging and trustworthy web presence. There's a variety of customization options available in this block, from styling the layout to adding specific review content, allowing you to create a solution that's perfect for your website's aesthetics and functionality. And there you have it, you've successfully added a review section to your WordPress site with just a few easy steps. By engaging with your audience and leveraging their feedback, you're on the path to enhancing your online presence significantly. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy customizing.